You wake up every day thinking you're free, that your choices are yours. Your money is yours. Your future is yours. But what if I told you none of it is real? Because while you're busy playing their game, someone else is writing the rules. Rules you'll never see. Rules you were never meant to win. They gave you a dream. Work hard. Save money. Buy a house. Be successful. Be free. But it was never freedom. It was a trap. Designed with perfection. Every number in your bank account, every loan, every tax, every debt is part of a code. A code written long before you were born. A code designed to keep you running and them winning. You think you're chasing wealth? No. You're chasing permission. Permission to eat, permission to live, permission to dream. Because even your freedom is leased. Do you know how billionaires stay untouchable? They don't play the game. They own the game. They don't sell their time. They buy yours. They don't pay taxes. You do. They don't live off salaries. They live off systems. And these systems, they were built in silence. Inside boardrooms where the doors are locked, where your name is never on the list. And the keys don't exist for you. You think the market rewards hard work? No. It rewards power. Power is when you can bend laws before they're even written. Power is when your mistakes are called strategies. Power is when you borrow billions and pay back nothing. And power is the only language they speak. You want to know the cruelest part? They let you believe you're winning. That's the trick. They give you promotions, bonuses, discounts, credit cards, holidays you can't afford but pay for anyway. And while you celebrate, they collect. Every transaction, every signature, every drop of your time flows upward. Money doesn't trickle down. It gets siphoned up. Look around. The average worker is drowning in debt. The middle class is shrinking. Families are fighting over scraps. And yet, the billionaires are buying islands. You call it hard times. They call it harvesting season. You want freedom? Stop chasing their ladder. Because the ladder doesn't go anywhere. It just keeps you climbing while they sit at the top, pulling the strings. The truth is simple. The system isn't broken. It was built to break you. Listen carefully. There is no escape inside their game. Because they built the game. They own the table. They control the dice. They decide when the rules change. And you're a piece, not a player. But here's the part they fear. The moment you see the code, you stop playing. You stop running in circles. You stop feeding the machine that's been feeding on you. They want you asleep, scrolling, consuming, obeying. Because the second you wake up, they lose control. Do you hear that silence? That's power. That's what they buy. Freedom isn't wealth. Freedom is time. And time is the one thing they've been stealing from you since the day you were born. You wanted the truth? Here it is. This world isn't built on fairness. It's built on control. And control is the most expensive currency on earth. The billionaires have the code, the politicians run the script, and you've been following the storyline they wrote for you. But a script can be rewritten. The moment you understand you're not free is the moment you finally take your first step toward freedom. Welcome to the real game.